Brian Croft. Today I am the CEO of HC Brands and 70-year-old company. Started in the rubber stamp space. I got involved 27 years ago and just having a great time building the business. Started as a rubber stamp company in 1954. When I first came in, it was basically rubber stamps and name tags.
Anything from just your regular address stamp to your signature stamp, or if you're getting married, you have our wedding stamps, as well as our embossers and notary supplies.
As we've evolved into e-commerce, we said, man, we have a lot of great equipment, a great opportunity to get into personalized products.
Your mom and pops that are going to purchase wedding gifts or notaries, our B2B customers, so we do a lot of big business jobs.
As long as people continue to buy things on the internet, I think we're okay there. And as long as people like personalization, whether it's a small business personalizing a product or it's an individual personalizing a product, I think we can continue to grow our business.
The business is definitely growing and stamps are booming.
Trotec's probably been our #1 partner for at least 20 years. They have been so supportive in us, anything from ideas with marketing or cash flow opportunities that we get into a pickle, and they're willing to help us with that. And I just truly believe them as a partnership.
So we have, as a company, 14 total Trotec Speedy 300s and 1 Speedy 360. The Trotecs themselves are just workhorses for what we have in the company.
I went to Austria and I went to the Trotec facility and saw the robots making the stamps. And the next day I went to the Trotec facility and just watched all the lasers being manufactured and put together and all the steps that Austria does to actually give us a great product.
The big benefits are just the speed and efficiency. Getting the newer lasers in, the newer Speedy 300s have dramatically changed the game for us with speed, quality of prints, and actual depth of cuts. It just looks perfect almost every time.
Their engineering is super important to me because they do think about the rubber stamp manufacturer, right? And all the different softwares and Ruby and all the different things that they use to help us run our business more efficiently is definitely the reason we've chosen Trotec.
When we get into our peak seasons, we're running 24 hours a day without interruption, and the machines just never falter. They're pushing out accurate work 99.9% of the time with just the top-notch quality. So that's the biggest factor with them.
At the end of the day, our goal is to ship orders within hours, where when I first came into the business, it was let's ship an order in 2 or 3 days. And customers don't want that anymore. They want to place an order and see the tracking number 6 hours later. And that's what our goal is.
The power that the 300s push out, as well as the speed and just complete quality on every product that we push out, is top-notch.
You can engrave anything, right? Any kind of picture, any kind of font, any kind of logo, where you could technically do it on a rotary engraver, but it would take you 2 hours to do something that takes 2 minutes on a Trotec.
We were definitely looking into other laser brands, but it always comes back to Trotec, honestly. Like I said, with the speed and the efficiency and just having the relationship there from the beginning, there's really no better option.
With the amount of lasers that we have, we always tell ourselves, we're gonna take care of them, we're gonna maintenance them, and we do. But man, Trotec has been great for us because that holds us a little more accountable to actually do the maintenance. And then quarterly or biannually or however the frequency is, Trotec reps will come in and help us really deep dive and clean it and keep it running at optimal paces.
If we have any issue, we can make a call same day and the representative will get back to us within 2 hours, and troubleshoot on the fly with us. And if we can't seem to figure it out over the phone with them, they'll send a technician out here within 2 to 3 business days if they have them on hand.
I think the main thing the laser's done to help the business grow is just allow us to scale.
The lasers have helped us grow immensely. These machines are workhorses and they're just pumping out top-notch quality, as well as we're just able to add more substrates to the list that we have with cutting boards, more wood materials, more acrylic, and more glass.
Listen, you might be able to get a cheaper laser over here, but just be careful what you get. Pay the money, get the Trotec, because you're not gonna have to worry about maintenance. You're gonna have an amazing support team behind you, and I just believe it's worth the additional investment to get the top of the line machinery. So hcbrands.com is the place to go just to see all of the brands that we have. We're very active on social medias, whether it's TikTok or Instagram or Facebook. Check us out on social media.